Hey peeps, the student here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on question 3.4 from the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 2, the IEB paper, and this question deals with some financial maths, in particularly calculating the cost of buying some H2H pool cleaner. The question asks, both Helena and JJ are interested in the costs to keep their pool waters clean and clear. They investigate the cost of HTH, which is a chemical pool cleaner. They find the following information on Google. So as you can see, there's the H2H chlorine, which is a 10 kilogram bag. It's going to cost 325 Rand per bag. And then they say, if JJ used the product shown above, determine how much it would cost him to maintain his 30,000 litre pool for a 31-day month. The daily recommendation is 40 grams of H2H granules per 10,000 litres. So 3.4, we first need to calculate how many of these 40 gram measures we're going to require per day. So we can see that his pool is 30,000 litres, and they say that per 10,000 litres we need 40 grams. So we start off by saying, okay, so how many of these measures we need? So it's 30,000 litres divided by the 10,000 litres, which in your calculators this comes to 3. So needed, basically 3 times the 40 grams per day, which 3 times 40 is 120 grams per day. So therefore, in the 31-day month, so in the 31 days, because they've said to us here that how much would it cost him to maintain his pool for a 31-day month? So we need to take the amount per day and multiply it by 31. So it's 120 grams multiplied by the 31 days. And this comes to a total of 3,720 grams. Okay, so now we need to find out how much 3,720 grams is going to cost, and they've told us that for a 10 kilo bag it's going to be 325 Rand. So we know that 10 kilos is 10,000 grams because a kilogram is 1,000 grams. So as I said, 10 kilos multiplied by 1,000 equals 10,000 grams, and it costs 125 Rand per 10,000 grams. So therefore your cost equals 325 Rand per, 125 Rand for every 10,000 grams you buy. Okay, so that we know. So then therefore, let's calculate what 1 gram is. So therefore, if we divide both sides by 10,000, we can get what 1 gram is. So 320 divided by 10,000, and obviously equals 10,000 divided by 10,000 is 1. So we know that it's this amount over here for 1 gram. But we actually need 3,720 grams. So we can multiply both sides by 3,720. Remember, we're not changing the quality of the graph because we're multiplying both sides by the same number. So then, therefore, we have that. So I'm going to rewrite the right-hand side at the left-hand side. So this is going to remain 3,720 grams. So 3,720 grams will equal, in rands, because this is rands, will equal 3,720 multiplied by the 325 rands divided by the 10,000, and in your calculators this equals approximately 120 rand and 90 cents. So again, you need to put this into your calculator to get the final cost. It's going to cost JJ to clean his pool for 31 days. And that's your final answer for 3.4. Before I go, I want to say a special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.